Let's dive into the new topic, that is market segmentation. Market segmentation is dividing a market into distinct groups that have one common needs and will respond similarly to the marketing action. Types of segmentation. The base of segmentation can be geographic, can be demographic, can be socio-economic, can be psychographic based on consumer characteristics. Based on buying situation, it can be segmented into outlet type, benefit sought, usage, awareness and intentions, and behavior. Undifferentiated marketing. Undifferentiated marketing involves ignoring segment differences and offering just one product or service to the entire market. For example, when Henry Ford bought out the first assembly line automobile, all potential consumers were offered the same basic product, a black Ford. Differentiated marketing. Differentiated marketing involves marketing in number of segments, developing separate marketing strategies for each. For example, the Marriott hotel chain offers a variety of customer service for different travelers, including vacation, business, long and short stay, and so forth. Concentrated marketing. Concentrated marketing is used when the firm selects one segment and attempts to capture a large share in this market. So with this, we end up with one more concept of integrated marketing communication, that is market segmentation.